1890 हो एक मडगांवचो एक ब्रुटल कॉलोनियल हिस्ट्री जेका आमी म्हणटात वो होली स्पिरीट कंपाऊंड जे आसा म्हणजे पयलीं थंय मडगांवची म्युनिसिपालिटी थंय आशिल्ली आनी 21 सप्टेंबराक 1890 ह्या वर्सा पोर्तुगीज लोकांनी पोर्तुगीज जे सैनीक आशिल्ले पोर्तुगीज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आशिल्लें आमी ताका कॉलोनियल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जे म्हणटात तेणी गोंयकाराचेर एक ब्रुटल अटॅक केल्लो आनी तोय बी ब्रुटल अटॅक 23 जाण गोंयकार तातूंत तेणी तांकां इनअप्रोप्रिएटली ठार मारले. आतां हे जे गोंयकार आयिल्ले ते वोटिंगाक लागून आयले. तो दीस आशिल्लो इलेक्शनाचो आनी ते वोटिंगाक आयिल्ले कारणान as the Portuguese administration says, they were inappropriately scattered there, they were inappropriately crowded there. तेंचेर हल्लो केलो गेलो. म्हणजे अशे कितलेशेच अल्टिमेटली गोंयकाराचे हल्ले जाल्ले आसात पोर्तुगीजाचे ज्यांची आज ऐतिहासीक पुस्तकांनी नोंद ना गोंयच्या सरकाराक आनी तशेंच राष्ट्रीय सरकाराक बसून हांव एक रिक्वेस्ट करपाक सोदतां की जी गोंयची जो इतिहास जो शिकयल्लो गेल्लो वता तातूंत गोंयचो इतिहासाचेर स्ट्रेस दिवपाची चड गरज आसा आनी ऑफकोर्स आमकां इंडियन हिस्ट्री शिकपाक जाय इंटरनॅशनल हिस्ट्री शिकपाक जाय पूण भुमीची जो इतिहास जर शिकपाक पावना हो भुमीचो भुरगो किंवा भुमीचे मनीस जाल्यार खंय तरी आमी आमच्या फुडाराक इनजस्टीस करतले. तशेंच हांव वालोर दिता हे आल्वारेस घराण्याक ज्यांनी ते गोंयांचे जे मार्क आसात ज्यांचे पॅच आसा ते ब्रास पॅचान अल्टिमेटली त्यांनी एम्बॉस करून दवरल्यात म्हणजे ती यादीक लागून ही याद आमी केन्नाच विसरपाक जायना. इट इज सेड दॅट द पीपल हू फॉरगेट द हिस्ट्री can never create a good future. So from that perspective, 21st September 1890, the episode which happened at Margao, Holy Spirit, has to be mentioned in the history books of Goa. There is no second thought towards it. It has to be going in the history books of Goa because it is a colonial, brutal past.
It shows that, there were guts, and Goans really, had much of this thing, plunk in them to overcome dictatorship, to talk freely, and also to organize, hold free independent elections, and in the end, to choose for the best government. So that this happened, so long ago when Portugal was a dictatorship, then it is very commendable what happened. But if you see the edifice now in shambles completely, and for so many years nothing is being done, because of so many difficulties that they allege. So it is a really pity, because it's one of our best heritage, spots, that we could have saved, renovated, and kept, if you keep that, there is no need even, to put that in the books, because people immediately, their attention goes down. They, and it strikes them, and this is this, and they immediately go through the history, and they become absolutely knowledgeable about what took place. Camara Municipal, which had space only for 300 people. This was during the governorship of Guedes. So, when the situation went out of control, plus they saw, that the governmental party was, in the defensive. So they started, using violence against the mob. So the mob dispersed into the church, some went inside the church, and since it was uncontrollable, they sent 2 platoons of the army from Panjim. So at this time, one commander took out his pistol and he started firing in the air at random. At least 10 people are reported to have died. And some bullet marks, are seen in some houses, and this is particularly the house where it is seen. That is a circle around it. So finally, what do we learn, There were many revolts, like the revolts of the Concoli martyrs, the conjuração dos pintos in this thing, It was much before the freedom movement struggle against the Portuguese, that these things took place, And Goans are not always, people, like we say, sossegado. When they need, they can react.